Imagine a world without antibiotics. A world where even the smallest infection could spiral out of control, leading to severe illness or even death. It's a world we've almost forgotten, a time when medical science was still in its infancy, and the fight against infections was a losing battle. A world where a simple cut could kill, where minor injuries could become life-threatening, and where the fear of infection was a daily reality. Where diseases like pneumonia were death sentences, claiming lives indiscriminately and leaving families devastated. This was our reality before penicillin, a time when hope was scarce and medical interventions were limited. Before 1928, infections ran rampant, spreading through communities unchecked and causing widespread suffering. Doctors were powerless against many bacterial diseases, millions suffered, countless lives were lost. The medical community was desperate for a breakthrough. Then a simple accident changed everything. In a moment of serendipity, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the world's first true antibiotic, revolutionizing medicine forever. Scottish scientist Alexander Fleming was known for his notoriously messy lab. In 1928, he returned from a vacation to a cluttered workspace. Among the many petri dishes, one caught his eye. It was a dish of Staphylococcus bacteria. But something was different. A mold had unexpectedly contaminated the dish, and around the mold, the bacteria were completely gone. Fleming was deeply intrigued by what he saw. He carefully identified the mold as Penicillium notatum. He soon realized it was producing something that killed the bacteria. He named this remarkable substance penicillin. Fleming conducted numerous experiments. Penicillin was highly effective against many dangerous bacteria. It was a powerful and groundbreaking antibacterial agent. But could it be turned into a widely usable drug? Section 4. The struggle for production. Producing penicillin in large quantities was a monumental challenge that required innovation and perseverance. It took over a decade and a team of dedicated scientists from various fields to overcome the obstacles. The challenges were immense, ranging from finding the right mold to developing efficient extraction methods. Extracting and purifying penicillin was a painstaking process. Scientists had to meticulously separate the antibiotic from the mold, which was both time-consuming and labor-intensive. World War II spurred research and development efforts. The urgency of the war created a pressing need for effective treatments to save lives on the battlefield and in hospitals. The need for effective antibiotics was urgent, as infections were rampant and often deadly. Hospitals were overwhelmed with patients suffering from wounds and infections. Finally, in the 1940s, mass production of penicillin began. This breakthrough marked a turning point in medical history, making the life-saving drug widely available and revolutionizing the treatment of bacterial infections. Section 5. Penicillin's legacy. The impact of penicillin was immediate and profound. When Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, he could not have imagined the monumental changes it would bring to the world of medicine. It saved millions of lives during the war. Soldiers who would have succumbed to infections were given a new lease on life. Penicillin revolutionized medicine, transforming the way bacterial infections were treated. Infections that were once deadly became treatable. Diseases like pneumonia, syphilis, and gonorrhea, which had claimed countless lives, could now be effectively managed. Penicillin paved the way for new antibiotics. It opened the door to a new era of pharmaceutical research, leading to the development of a wide range of antibiotics that continue to save lives today. It ushered in a new era of medicine. The 20th century saw unprecedented advancements in medical science, many of which were built on the foundation laid by penicillin. But the story of penicillin is also a story of serendipity. Fleming's discovery was accidental, a fortunate stroke of luck that changed the course of history. Of a chance observation that changed the world, Fleming noticed that a mold, Penicillium notatum, had killed the bacteria in a petri dish, leading to the groundbreaking discovery. It reminds us of the power of curiosity and the importance of paying attention, even to the smallest details. Fleming's keen observation and inquisitive nature were crucial in recognizing the significance of what he had found. For in those details, we may find the next great discovery. The legacy of penicillin is a testament to the impact of scientific curiosity and the potential for unexpected discoveries to change the world.